Everybody breathes. Breath is the most important thing we can do. We breathe as soon as we're born. The first breath is the first thing we do. Focusing on our breathing, how we breathe, is the fastest, quickest, most effective way to change how we feel and to change that feeling in a positive way. The breathing exercises work not only because they strengthen the muscles that we use to breathe, they also allow us to control the muscles that we use to breathe, but more importantly, they make us more aware of our breathing. Simple exercises help us do that better. And I'm going to show you how to do them. Let's begin.